4 to 6 weeks before your last frost, pre-moisten a small pot of loose soil. Then plant your Nigella flower seeds very shallow. Then water. If you have a longer growing season, it's best to directly sow outdoors. Germination should occur within 10 to 14 days. Ensure the plants get full sun each day. Once outside is warm enough, adjust the Nigella plants to the outdoor weather, for a few days, before transplanting. Then carefully transplant, as these plants don't like root disturbance. Space each plant about 15 to 23 centimeters apart. Keep the soil evenly moist until established, then water only during prolonged dry spells. Nigella is generally pest-free, and low maintenance, but may occasionally suffer from aphids. Hose them off, or use insecticidal soap. The plants may also encounter powdery mildew. Avoid overhead watering, and ensure good air circulation, to prevent it. In cool, or mild summers, the blooms will last longer than in very hot weather. Fertilizer is generally not needed, as it encourages more leafy growth than flowers. Remove old, faded flowers, to encourage new blossoms. While Nigella plants will only survive for 1 year, if you let them go to seed, new plants may grow back the following spring.